Are wheel spacers a good idea for electric car?
Choosing a good set of
Electric car wheel spacers
that can make a big difference in performance.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub-Centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Good Hub-Centric wheel spacers are designed for the race track that needs specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effectively in eliminating the vibration of wheels.
Not all wheel spacers are built the same. Bonus has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer painted cooling grooves. The specially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves braking performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. Bonus wheel spacers are made from high-grade aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6, ensuring lightweight durability and high load capacity. Bonus wheel spacers are CNC machined to 0.02mm accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit.
These Bonus Forge active cooling Hub-Centric wheel spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. Bonus insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers, which are safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.